In today's video, the IIIF150 brand comes with the B1 series of fashionable rugged phone models, which consist of the B1 and B1 Pro models. Compared to mainstream rugged phone products, the B1 series is designed with the fashionable patterns, still a totally certified rugged phones. The rugged phone is often related to monotonous design with waterproof and shockproof and water resistant. Great things never came from comfort zones. IIIF150 is engaged to provide various rugged phones with aesthetic, bold design and durable engineering. IIIF150's products are colorful and still super rugged. All the products are IP68, IP69K and STD810G certified. We can safely say that this is one of the best colorful, stylish, rugged smartphones of 2022 with third display, large battery and night vision functions. They come in two impressive color options, tough black and wild orange. Only 16.65mm slim body and just 356 grams is designed to be comfortably held. B1 Pro comes with a sharp, crisp, clear, immersive 6.5 FHD plus hole punch display. On the other side, next to the cameras, we find 1-inch third display. We can check the current time, date, day and week and battery life. Both displays are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass protection. On the back, we also can find a day-to-night triple camera system with a 48MP main camera, 2MP macro camera and 20MP Sony IF night vision camera. The quality of the captured night vision photos is so high that it is devoid of noise even in absolute darkness. With a huge 10,000 mAh battery, the B1 series of smartphones enables to keep provide of true long traveling seasons from one day to the next with a battery that can last for days. With 6GB of RAM, most of the applications run very quickly, and thanks to the 128GB of storage space, it will be suitable for installing any applications you need, with the ability to expand via microSD card to 1TB. Facial and fingerprint unlock options take care of your security. This phone runs on the new stock Android 12 OS, which brings a better user interface, privacy dashboard and some interesting customization additions. Comparison with the other popular rugged phones is not necessary. With the excellent performance of this rugged smartphone and truly unique fashionable design, this B1 series will become a real bestseller. Finally, let's mention that from August 22nd to August 26th, you can get this great B1 series smartphone at the promotional final price of $159 with $10 coupon for B1 Pro model, and the B1 model at the price of only $190 with $10 coupon. Basically, the official IIIF150 sales link is below this video. Be ready and gift yourself one of the B1 series models today. That will be all for now. See you soon in a new video. Bye.